Alright, UPS just dropped off the new Barn Owl RangeCam 2, which I'm super excited about. It's the new version of the cameras that we already have on our property. That's about 2 hours away, so we can keep an eye on it. But this guy here we're gonna install down there where the chickens and the turkeys are. You know, we had coyotes kill 2 of our geese a couple of weeks ago, and so we didn't have any visible footage, just audio footage, and so we're gonna install this camera so we can keep better tabs on what's going on. So let's go down and do it. We're gonna install the camera here on this tree so it can see then all of this over here. Specifically here, that's our turkey and guinea shelter, and then behind there are the chicken coops, so we can see all of that in this direction. That's what we're gonna do. And this camera, what's cool about it is it has a solar panel that we need to charge separately, but the camera itself is fairly small. It's this guy, super small, very impressive. So we put this on there and we install the solar panel then facing south. So I hope there's enough long enough cable in there so we can face it in the other direction. Let's do it. Antenna. It has a built-in SD card, on-off setup. Here's the strap. That should be long enough. Second strap. Solar panel. Power adapter. That makes it mounting a little bit easier. Oh, I like this. I like this. Very nice mount. Here we have the cable to connect the camera to the solar panels. A second mount. All right. Gonna charge the solar panels, come back, plug it in, align it properly, and we should be good to go. All right, another day in paradise. I'm thinking of going low here. And now, last but not least, camera is online. There we have it. Everything set up. Solar panels. There it is. Doesn't really stick out much. I like that. So, I mean, here, nobody's gonna steal it, but in a remote property, you know, the less it's obvious, the better it is, obviously. And this is gonna be our monitoring area. Again, the turkeys and the guineas. Not really anything to worry about other than receiving the alerts, checking the images, making sure everything is good. And look at those guys. They're like dogs. Yeah, you're super excited. All right. Kummer out.